के पूरा प्रूफ दूंगा मैं।
Good evening, sir. How are you? Namaste, Savita Stavis.
ठीक है। So we have done theorem 1 और theorem 1 का converse. Now let's understand theorem 2. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. तो भाई let's start with the basic जो मोहित बोल रहा था कि सर फिगर क्या बनेगा. Now do I need this?
Yes.
ठीक है. Do I need this?
Yes.
And what is the third thing which I need?
Theorem.
Two triangles.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So let's consider this figure.
Yes.
Center O,
Oh. Center.
chord AB
Okay.
and chord
CD.
CD.
समझ गया.
क्या is it guys? जो first part of the theorem है वो क्या होता है given.
Given.
Second part of the theorem is what I have to prove. तो क्या equal chords given है question में?
Yes.
तो can I write?
AB is equal to CD.
AB is equal to CD. तुम्हारा वो clear है guys? कोई भी theorem में first part is my given quantity, second part is what I need to prove. उसको given मत लेना. ठीक है. Now I need to. I have got the center. I have got my two equal chords.
Yes.
Do I have two triangles? Do I have two triangles?
Yes.
So think for a minute और बताओ कि वो triangles कैसे बनेंगे? Because
Join.
because
Midpoint center.
equidistant from center. Let's understand first. Guys देखो कोई भी लाइन है एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से if they are asking इस लाइन का distance, basically it is always perpendicular from this point. सही है?
Yes.
तो whenever any line का distance from a specific point P, we will just measure the perpendicular length. तो now क्या perpendicular से आता है?
Yes.
नहीं है ना?
बनाना नहीं.
तो draw perpendicular from O to AB and O to CD. चलेगा? तो I am drawing a perpendicular. बढ़िया? Now see in this theorem 2 we will make use of theorem 1. What does theorem 1 say? A perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects a chord. Yes. Can I say since perpendicular 90 degree ही होता है. Since let me call this OM. Since OM is perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD, AM equal to BM and CN equal to DN. Guys, reason क्या है?
Equidistant from the center.
Perpendicular from center.
Theorem 1.
22
A chord. Theorem का नंबर छोड़ो, तुम लोग स्टेटमेंट लिखो. सही है? So now, still my triangle is not clear. Can I make use of some radius here? Join O. क्या मेरे अभी दो triangles नहीं गए?
Yes.
I got equal chords. I got the center. I got two triangles. Now the figure is complete.
OM is equal to OM.
अभी triangle 1, triangle 2. Can I just write this is equal to this?
Yeah.
लेकिन since this and this is same, क्या ये और ये भी होगा?
Yes.
बढ़िया? तो triangle OMB
is equal to OM.
and अभी तक प्रूव नहीं हुआ है कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सेकंड ट्रायंगल OND. Tell me the three respective things which will prove that ये दोनों triangles congruent. Tell me the first. R के लिए बताओ
OMB is equal to
OMB एंगल OND क्या 90 डिग्री ठीक है H क्या OB and OD is my radius of the circle OB equal to OD radii लास्ट वाला क्या हो सकता है वो तो प्रूव करना है एंगल हो गया गाइस देखो AB and CD is equal given in the question तो क्या उसका हाफ और इसका हाफ भी इक्वल होगा कैन आई से BM equal to सी इसमें तुम क्या लिखो half of AB equal to half of क्या मेरे तीन रीजन जस्टिफाइड है therefore triangle OMB is congruent to triangle OND by लेकिन क्या अभी तक मेरा सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द थ्योरम प्रूव है तो we have to imply that in our proof guys I have proved the triangles congruent लेकिन have I proved कि उनका जो distance from the center वो भी सेम आ रहा है तो let's just तो इस chord का distance to the center क्या है OM इस chord का distance to the center क्या ये दोनों triangles के corresponding parts है can I imply OM is equal to ON by CPCTC congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent क्या यही मुझे प्रूव करना है hence I copy it everyone सर ये नहीं घर में कॉपी नहीं कॉपी करो तुम लोग प्रूफ प्रैक्टिस करो लेट्स गो I also need the reader भाई मैं बात कर रहा हूं गाइस देखो कोई भी लाइन है from a particular point if you are talking about the distance of this line from a given point we are basically talking about इस point से जो perpendicular ड्रॉ की है उसका लेंथ क्या होता है इसी को बोलते हैं distance of this line from this particular point P dash बढ़िया ठीक है now let's come to converse of theorem 2 क्या first part will become second part and second part will become first part अभी देखो second part क्या equidistant from the center अभी ये बनेगा मेरा first part if two chords are equidistant from center part 1 इसका part 1 होगा part 2 then they are equal मतलब equal in length so let's again क्या मुझे क्या चाहिए do I need two chords
yes
सही है what else do I need
center
and the third thing which is invisible which is
triangle
two triangles so let's construct
triangle कैसे
chord you tell me here chord AB center O chord CD अभी देखो गिवन क्या है और प्रूव क्या करना है क्या इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द सेंटर को गिवन है इक्विडिस्टेंट नहीं होता है वो पॉइंट से परपेंडिकुलर है तो कैन आई जस्ट ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर OM टू AB एंड परपेंडिकुलर ON टू CD क्या ये गिवन है तो मतलब OM इक्वल टू ON
बन गया
third part is this how will I construct triangle
OB
join OB
and
OD ये दोनों रेडियस बनेंगे now please मुझे अभी प्रूव करना है बेसिकली कि ये BM और DN इक्वल आ जाए ठीक है।
Angle side angle side.
तो टेल मी द ट्रायंगल्स का नेम फर्स्ट। इन ट्रायंगल O and triangle OAD. Okay. First part is OM equal to ON.
Yes.
Given. और क्या?
OB is equal to OD.
OB is equal to OB.
OND is equal to OND. Radian.
और तीसरा
OMB is equal to OND.
angle.
Angle OMB is equal to OND.
Each
90 degree.
अभी एक तो S S A होगा या फिर 90 एंगल तो R तो कैन आई ट्राई दिस कैन आई कॉल दिस R रेडियस क्या मेरा हाइपोटेन्यूज है H what about this one more side of the triangle RHS so can I say triangle OMB is common to triangle OND by RHS तो ट्रायंगल्स तो हो गए लेकिन ये कैसे है सोचो गाइस
Sir,
बोलो
MB is equal to ND, common parts of a triangle. MB is equal to half of
CB, CB.
और DC is equal to half of DN. से half strike होके आपका
MB equal to ND by CP चलेगा
So 2 times MB is equal to 2 times.
but again we will make use of the previous theorem guys a perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord तो क्या MB is nothing but half of AB ND is nothing but half of CD तो क्या ना half of AB is equal to half of CD. Reason perpendicular from center bisects a chord. Theorem number कुछ भी हो तुमको theorem का statement लिखना है यहाँ पे. So start half and half. AB is equal to CD. क्या AB और CD क्या है?
chord.
Chord 1 CD क्या है? क्या रूट 2 हो गया? ठीक है. Hence 2. That's great.
वाह मजा आ गया
सर ये बुक में भी
Right? तो guys ये क्वेश्चन अगर आ गया आई थिंक इट्स डूएबल कोई प्रूफ नहीं है रेडियस निकालना है सभी का ठीक है तो लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन in the given figure O is the center in which diameter AB bisects the chord CD at point E तो क्या CD को bisect किया गया given in the question if CE equal to ED equal to 8 centimeter and EB is 4 centimeter, find the radius of circle. So let me just mark these points. This is 2. Sorry, this is 8. This is 8 and EB is 4. ठीक है चलेगा find the radius of circle कैसे करते हैं ठीक है बताओ
First we'll construct triangle OCE, sorry, O and C and O and D. Then after that, for the One side will take r minus 4.
Sir, O E.
Good. ठीक है. Now, listen here guys. Can I join OD? Sorry, OC and OD?
Yes.
मुझे बताओ OC and OD both are R. Now, क्या OB भी रेडियस है? अगर ये रेडियस है and this is 4, how much will be OE? 4.
r minus 4.
R minus 4. चलेगा? Now, the issue here is I have now got the triangle. I have got R minus 4 and 8. लेकिन I am missing some theorem. तो मुझे बताओ, is it given कि AB bisects the chord CD at point T?
Yes.
तो मतलब a line from the center OE is bisecting this chord. तो will it be at right angles? तो can I imply since OE bisects CD, then it is at right angles. तो ये मेरा थ्योरम है, सही है? तो कैन आई इम्प्लाई एंगल OEN equal angle OEN angle OEC equal to angle OED equal to 90 degree. Am I getting my right angle triangle? Which theorem can we apply in a right angle triangle? So, in right triangle OEC, can I say OC square is OE square plus EC square by P by TH. चलेगा? OC is R, OE is R minus 4 and EC is R. Let's put the value of this. R square, R minus 4 का whole square plus EC is 8 square. चलेगा?
चलेगा.
Let's expand. R square, इसका expand कर दो guys. जल्दी. Guys, जो A square और जो B square ना, middle term, always keep it minus 2AB या फिर plus 2AB.
Minus 8R.
Minus 8R plus 16 plus 64. Can you see R square on the either side of origins? Cut.
Okay.
A linear equation in R. Can we just solve for R? So let's 8R
is equal to 80.
is equal to 80.
R
is equal to
10
unit. Guys, literally ये 4 मार्क के लिए क्वेश्चन आया था. क्या सबसे ये क्वेश्चन बनेगा? हमारे स्कूल में सर्कल्स का क्वेश्चन सिंपल आया था. Literally we have not even discussed the further theorems. She only gave one question. Of course second term है, but ये क्वेश्चन अगर आ गया तो क्या सबको सर्कल्स में मिल सकते थे? Last year this chapter was in second term. इस साल ब्यूरिज ने कुछ क्रेजी कांड कर दिया. फर्स्ट टर्म में सर्कल था. सबको पता है?
Sir, congratulations. 1K views complete.
Next question next. In a circle of radius 17 centimeter, two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter are drawn. Find the distance between the chords if the chords are on the same side of circle. तो guys, figure given नहीं है, तुम लोग को बनाना पड़ेगा. तो I center O
रेडियस 17.
पहले chord बनाते हैं. ठीक है, I will go for this conception. Now, जो chord लंबी है, will be closer to the center. And the chord which is smaller, will it be solve. I did not solve. Now, find the distance between the chords. Everyone, please. The figure is not over. Hey, the figure is not over here.
तो वो 30 है, AB 30 और CD 16 है.
AB equal to 30 centimeter
हाँ.
and CD equal to 60.
Nine.
Now I need to form triangles. Can I just say draw perpendicular from O
to AB
to AB
and CD.
and CD? Guys, पता है? You will actually see कि वो जो perpendicular है, it is common to both the chords. Can I call this M? Can I call this N?
Yeah.
Now, a perpendicular from the center bisects a chord. Since perpendicular from center bisects a chord, is AM equal to BM equal to 15? क्योंकि टोटल 30 है तो 15 15
Set out.
क्लास के बाद
is CN equal to DN equal to 8 centimeter.
Correct.
Good out.
Triangle तो बना ही नहीं.
आ रहे उस पे मैंने पहले थ्योरम अप्लाई किया उसको ऑब्जर्व नाउ स्टिल क्या ये दोनों कॉर्ड्स के बीच में MN is my distance between the two chords.
Yes.
लेकिन अभी उसको निकालने के लिए can I just join OA and OC?
OA is equal to
Join OA and OC. चलेगा? Is OA my radius? Is OC my radius? In right triangle OMA and right triangle ONC, can you guys write the Pythagoras theorem statement for both these triangles? OA square is equal to and OC square ON square plus CN square. Now guys, listen here. Is OA my radius?
Yes.
And radius is given in the question.
Yes.
17. So will OA be 17 square? चलेगा? OM is not known. And what is AM here, guys? OC is again radius, so 17 square. ON is not known. CN कितना होगा guys? 8 square. Let's just find OM and ON के values. 17 square is 289 equal to ON square plus 225. बढ़िया? If I just set 225 here, 289 minus 225 is 64. Take square root plus minus 8 equal to ON.
That positive
But length cannot be negative.
But length is always positive. So ON is equal to 8 unit. Okay. What about this? 289 equal to ON square plus 64. Send 64, that's it. 225 equal to ON square. Take square root. plus minus 15 is equal to ON. But again, length is always positive. Is ON plus 15 unit. Now guys, देखो, I have found ON. This is ON, please. And this is ON. I have found OM and ON. How can I find from this figure MN?
OM minus OM.
Distance between chords.
Sorry, sir.
Is MN nothing but ON or OM का difference? Let's put the values. ON is 15, OM is 8. So 15 minus 7, 15 minus 8 is 7. Is this nothing but the distance between these two chords? By Lico. Exact.
Sir, chemistry की teacher है, chemistry